7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Today I've got a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Now, what's really cool, this thing's had an amazing restoration and it's packing a lot of great goodies. First off, let's talk about what's under the hood. This car's got an LS3 V8. Of course, it's backed by the Tremec 6-speed transmission. Now, it gets even better from that. Not only is this thing silver with awesome black racing stripes and amazing, immaculate black interior, it's also got a Detroit Speed 9-inch forward rear end. On top of that, you've got power brakes, they're disc all the way around, and then up front, you've got 17-inch American Racing with 255s. In the back, you've got 17-inch 355s. This thing is super bad and it's just waiting for a new owner. If you want to know more about our 1969 Camaro or any of the cars we have here, go to thevaultms.com or give us a call at 601-665-4027. We look forward to hearing from you real soon.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share on all our social media platforms and on YouTube. Once you've subscribed, be sure and click the bell.